This is Rideshare Sean again. I know I said I wouldn't go to Pinellas to drive anymore, but I'm going there to drive today. But first, there is a building that's being built right now in downtown St. Petersburg, Florida. So since I found out it was getting built, I think it was like August 2022. I go there every month with my drone and take pictures of it. And I've been taking pictures of it now, like, I don't know, I guess it's like a year now? I don't even know. But anyway, so, like, after I go there every month. And I used to go there at the end of every month. But now I just try to get it out, get it done in the beginning of the month. And because I don't want, this one writer said to me, told me about this because I didn't know, like, he said that he saw a YouTube video of, like, you know, something happening with a crane, and I think he said it was in New York. And you know, because there was a crane accident, and the people below the crane accident, whether they're driving or just hanging out at restaurants, they don't have anything to do with it. They're not doing anything wrong, and they end up, you know, getting badly injured or dying. So I try not to disturb anybody when they're working. So I only go here and shoot with my drone, with my Canon camera on holidays or Sundays, because there's nobody working usually. Like, I've been there on Sundays before though, and there are people there working still on Sunday. I'm like, dang. So I try to go there on holidays, because on a holiday there is nobody working at all. It's always the way it is on holiday. Nobody is working. So I try to go there on holidays too. And then after I shoot that, I'll probably do a couple of rides and then head back to Manatee. Oh, I gotta go grocery shopping today too before I go home. So anyway, so when I'm down there shooting, you know, like, sometimes I shoot outside the vehicle, sometimes I shoot from inside the vehicle. I just do different things. But lately, like, because like I've been shooting from inside the vehicle, but like that particular building, it's 400 Central, is the one that I shoot all the time. And when it's done being built, it's going to be the tallest building in downtown St. Petersburg, Florida. Right now, the tallest building in downtown St. Petersburg, Florida is the one. It's on 101st Street North. So it's like on the corner of 1st Street North and 1st Avenue North. And Wikipedia says it's 450 feet, but I measured it with my drone and it was 490 feet. So I don't know. But anyway, so I go down here every month and take a picture of 400 Central being built. And when I first looked at it on, you know, when I first went to the 400 Central website, it said that they were going to be, when they finished, they were going to be luxury apartments. Then I went back there again, and it said they were going to be condominiums. So I was like, whatever. So 400 Central is right here. It's between Central and 1st Avenue South. That building right there to the left that's red, it has the two cranes above it. That's 400 Central being built. So every month since I heard about it, I've been coming here and taking pictures of it with my Canon camera and my drone. I have this app on my phone, so I take that pictures with my Canon camera, and then I pull them over to my iPhone, and then I push them up to the cloud. And then when I get home later, I take the pictures out of the drone and then put it in my cloud drive. And I put it under the date and whether it's from the drone or from the Canon camera. So this is what I do every month. I get my Canon camera out from under the seat. Before I leave, I get the drone out from in the hatchback, in that little compartment in the back there, whatever, I don't even know what it's called. It's like a little compartment underneath that I store my drone in and other stuff. So I take off the kit lens that came with my N50, and then I put on this telephoto lens. I don't know, it's a 70-300 millimeter lens. It's the biggest lens that I can afford, and it's an EF lens. And I have a Viltrox adapter, and that adapter allows me to put EF lenses on this M50 thing. I got it from Omar at Think Media. He said it was a good thing to buy, so I bought it when I had some money. So when I'm done, I just turn my flashers off, and now I'm going driving for the day. Take a left, I put my earpiece in, and now I'm driving. I'm online, the Uber driver app says.